Kia ora, and welcome to the third lesson in simple statements. Today, we're going to learn to ask and answer the question, what is this? It's almost exactly the same as asking, what is it? So you'll be able to increase your knowledge really fast. Aha means what? He aha tēnei. What is this? To answer, simply replace aha with the thing. He aha tēnei. He tūru tēnei. This is a chair. He tēpu tēnei. This is a table. He tama tēnei. This is a boy. He kōtiro tēnei. This is a girl. If we're speaking about more than one thing, we drop the T from tēnei. He aha ēnei. What are these? He tūru ēnei. These are chairs. He tēpu ēnei. These are tables. He tama ēnei. These are boys. He kōtiro ēnei. These are girls. We can use tēnā and tērā the same way to speak about something that's close to the person we're speaking to or far away from us both. In addition, we can add an adjective to be more descriptive. In Māori, the adjective goes after the noun. This is different to English. In English, you would say, red chair. But in Māori, you would say, chair red. He tūru whiro tēnā. That is a red chair by you. He tēpu whiro tēnā. That is a red table by you. He tama pai tērā. That is a good boy over there. He kōtiro pai tērā. That is a good girl over there. And to talk about more than one thing, we drop the T. He tūru whiro ēnā. Those are red chairs by you. He tēpu whiro ēnā. Those are red tables by you. He tama pai ērā. Those are good boys over there. He kōtiro pai ērā. Those are good girls over there. All of these sentences can be questions with a change of inflection. He tēpu tēnei. Is this a table? He tēpu whero ēnei. Are these red tables? He kōtiro tēnā. Is that a girl? By you? He kōtiro pai ērā. Are those good girls? Over there? Let's practice. How do you say, this is a chair? He tūru tēnei. How do you say, these are red chairs? He tūru whero ēnei. How do you say, that's a boy? By you? He tama tēnā. How do you say, those are good boys? Over there. He tama pai ērā. There you have it. Now you know how to ask and answer the question, what is this? In Māori. Ka kite.